Xbox.
Hey guys, it's Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the heatsink on a Dell Chromebook 11. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon.
Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Loosen the screws. Unplug and remove the battery. Loosen the heatsink screws. Remove and clean the heatsink. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.